So what is the connection between money and power? Why would you want to be powerful? Maybe it's better to be weak, hide in some corner so no one will hurt you. Why do you want to be powerful? What's the connection between money and power? Money flows to people. Do you agree? Money flows to people. If there is no living beings, money means nothing. Imagine that there was an atom bomb that wiped every mankind, and there is money sitting all over. Will it go to anywhere? Not really. So money flows to people, to living things. The more alive you are, the more money comes to you. The more alive you are, the more money comes to you. I'm not talking about money that you stole, because this is not money that comes to you. Do you understand? How much flows your way, or how much money you can have, has to do with your ability to control time, since time, not work, controls power. So if you do a standard amount of work, assuming you do the standard amount of work, you need to write a contract. This is your job. You're a lawyer, you write a contract, okay? If you write the contract in 1 day, or in half a day, or in 15 minutes, the same contract that result in the same power, which means this power you get paid for, which means it results in the same amount of money, you will have more money. And the interesting thing is that once money starts to flow, the flow increases. The flow is not constant. That's why when you start to sell, it's not important if you sell $90 at the beginning, or $5 at the beginning, or you just get a phone number or contact. Once you start to sell, you open the flow, and the flow will increase. The person become your client, and the moment that he become your client, if you will keep the flow, it's not important how much. A person that could not buy from you for $19 will buy from you for $9,000 and $90,000 and $200,000. The same person. Why? Because by opening the flows, you actually helped him. By getting a person to pay, if the exchange is in, you actually helped him, because he made a decision, probably the first decision ever in his life. If you make sure that he buys and you don't sell him, if you make sure the person buy and you don't sell, you'll see that you actually helped him. Do you understand the difference?